my name is Kimberly Hylton, and today I'm going to share with you how to make a very simple painting setup that's minimalistic and lightweight and that you can take anywhere. So I discovered this by accident, but it works out really great. So I have these solvent cups. They normally come like this. I ordered these from Jerry's Artarama. It's a double one, and it clips onto a thin board, or it can clip onto your sketchbook. So one day I was painting, and when I went to clean one of these, I dropped one, and so I was left with this side that was empty. And then by accident I realized that I could put a magnet onto one side of it and attach a little tiny palette. Now you can put a bigger palette on this if you wanted to. For a very small one, this little, it's like a Altoids tin, like the mini Altoids tin, but this is actually just a plain tin box that I got from Cheap Joe's. And if you're looking for one, I'll leave a link in the description. This is a small Nomad tin, and it will hold 6 small half pans, or you can put 3 whole pans in it. So this is just the cutest little perfect size to have a little small setup on the go. 6 colors is all you'll really need. So I just have this Pro Mag magnetic adhesive strips that I got from Cheap Joe's as well, and these work really good. They already have the adhesive on the bottom, but if you don't have any of these on hand and don't want to order it, you could use a refrigerator magnet, cut it to size, and hot glue it to this little metal plate. So the first thing I'm going to do is just get a rough measurement of, let's see, I think just about that wide will be enough. So that's just about 1 inch wide. And I'm just going to take a ruler. You could use scissors, but I normally do it like this. I'll just, let me make sure this is lined up good. And it doesn't have to be exact, but I'm doing this sitting down, so it's kind of hard to see. And just cut it. You don't have to cut all the way through because it will snap. These are actually made for attaching these little paint pans into the palettes, but I didn't cut all the way through, so they may come off in like little strips because I guess they're already pre-cut, but that doesn't really matter. Now I'm just going to place these on here. I guess I could do it like this. That should work. That will give me more surface area. So now you can just attach this to the magnet there, and it's not going to go anywhere. I can hold it upside down, and that was super easy. Get it out. Clip it onto your sketchbook, and then you can paint on this side, and you'll have your water. On this side you could use a water brush, and then when you're ready to paint the other side, you can just pull it over to the other side, and that's all you really need. Or you could use a travel brush and maybe a paper towel or sponge.